सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 227। यदिदं सकलं विश्वं नानारूपं प्रतीतमज्ञानात् तत्सर्वं ब्रह्मैव प्रत्यस्ताशेषभावनादोषम् Shankaracharya revealed the Tvampada Vichara until now from 212th words onwards up to 222. Tvampada Vichara has been revealed. Tvampada Vichara means enquiry into individual nature. Jivatma Vichara is called Tvampada Vichara. Jivatma Vichara Anantaram Paramatma Vichara has to be done. That is Tatpada Vichara. Enquiry into Brahman, that is Tatpada Vichara. After this enquiry of Tvampada and Tatpada, the identity, the Aikyam has to be explained. Tvampada and Tatpada are identical. Jiva, Jivatma and Paramatma both are one and the same. This identity, this Aikya Bhavana Jnanam, Bhavana in the sense understanding. Understanding the identity of I, the Jiva, and the Ishvara, Paramatma, Aikyam, Jnanam, alone relieves us from shoka, sorrow. Why I have to study Viveka Chudamani? Once in a while we have to remind ourselves. Why I have to study? To relieve myself from sorrow. To relieve oneself from sorrow, dukkha. That person has to study or understand the individual nature and total nature of Ishvara and identity. Their Aikyam, both are one and the same. Once that Jnanam comes, the moment that Jnanam takes place, the Shoka will disappear. Shoka Rahita, a life which is free from a sorrow, any sort of sorrow, at any level. Dukkha mein nivritti. Dukkha nivritti eva moksha. Dukkha nivritti is equal to moksha. Moksha is equal to Atma Jnanam. How is it possible? Very nice to listen. Very nice to listen, but it is possible only by consistent, systematic study from a competent teacher. It is possible only by systematic study, not a haywire study. No? Sometimes here, there, reading, listening will not relieve sorrow. First I have to understand this point. So Shankaracharya has given that what is anatma, what is atma. That atma, jivatma, tvampada vichara to do, you require lot of lot of qualifications. I have to acquire qualifications. Why I have to acquire qualifications? I want sorrow-free life. Adi gnapakam irukkanum. Why I have to study Viveka Chudamani? Why I have to process all these qualifications? Why I have to do inquiry? Why I have to go to class? Because I want mukti, freedom from sorrow. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், இருந்தாலும் கூட என்ன சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனுக்காக அப்பப்போ சொல்லுவேன். டோன்ட் மைண்ட். என்ன சுவாமினி சொன்னதே சொன்னேன், என்னமோ சொல்லணுமோன்னு தோணுது, அப்படி சொல்லிட்டேன். ஓகே. ஸோ ஹியர் from 223 onwards, 240, Tatpada Vichara, Shankaracharya does. Enquiry into the Ishvara's nature, Paramatma Swarupam. So we have to go to identity, Aikyam. So for Aikyam you have to go, that equation, Tvampada is over. Now Tatpada is remaining. Tatpada, Mahavakyam. Tatu Tvam Asi. So, Tatpada we have to do. Therefore, Shankaracharya from 223, Tatpada Vichara has started. In that, this 227th shloka is very, very important shloka. That is, the Brahman alone is everything. Brahma Swarupam he is revealing here. Whatever is there. Look into the shloka 227. Yat idam sakalam vishvam. Vishvam means universe. Sakalam, total universe. Yat idam, whatever is here in this world, sarvam nana rupam pratitam. It is appearing in nana rupam, in manifold forms. Nana means manifold, many varieties of rupam means forms. All these rupams are, why they are pratitam, appearing, ajnanat. They are appearing because of ignorance. What is the connection between appearing in the nana rupam and to my sorrow now? There is lot of connection. Seeing the nana rupam, manifold forms and names, giving reality to them is the problem. Because of my ignorance, many forms appears to me. That is real only, Swamini, appearing, no? Nana rupam, that is real only. Shastra says they are not real, they are not really real. Okay. They are not really real. No? That means what? They are only appearances. There is no reality in that appearance. There is no reality in that appearance. How can I understand there is no reality? And study Viveka Chudamani. Study Viveka Chudamani. You can understand there is no reality in the world at all. That reality, what am I seeing? They are appearing names and forms. Experience of names and forms, Shastra is not negating. Appearance of forms. I am seeing a person, appearance, experiencing the person, experiencing the tree, experiencing the mic. Yes, you are experiencing, that is true. But what you are experiencing is real, that notion is not true. Getting the point? The experience is not unreal. Seeing the sunrise, experiencing is not unreal. But there is sunrise, that notion is unreal. Yes or no? Is there sunrise? There is no sunrise, but we are experiencing. So all experiences need not be real. All experiences need not be real. Because I am experiencing the sunrise, but it is not real. And same way I am experiencing the earth is flat, but earth is round. I am experiencing the earth, flat earth. Experience is okay, but earth is flat, it is not real. So your experiences need not be real. Another thing, earth is stationary, is my experience. But earth is violently moving, so fast. Can you say earth is moving violently? Who will believe? But that is the fact. What is my experience? Stationary earth is my experience. Experience is earth is stationary. This is my experience. But real fact is what? Earth is not stationary. It is violently moving. Therefore, all our experiences need not be real. Similarly, the Nama, Rupa, Nana, Rupam, whatever I am experiencing, need not be real. They are appearing as real because of what? Ajnanat. Because of ignorance. I need the pot. So, ajnanat, because of ignorance alone, they appear. Then what? If it is out of ignorance, it is appearing. But what is the reality in that? The reality is tat sarvam brahmaiva. That nana rupam, all the names and forms are nothing but Brahma eva. Brahman alone. And pratyastha ashesha bhavana adosham. So, what type of Brahman? This Brahman, which is pratyastha shesha bhavana dosham. Ashesha means the entire, all. Bhavana dosha means the plurality. The plurality, what am I seeing? The duality, the plurality, different names, different forms, all these bhavana dosham, plurality, pratyastam, free from. This Brahman is free from all the plurality. Since everything is Brahman, the Brahman is free from plurality. The names and forms, plurality enna theriyirudilliyo, nana roopam, different names and different forms means plurality, many na nariya irukku theriyirudilla, adella onnum kedaiyadu, Brahman da irukken. That Brahman who is free from all these pluralities, that is the meaning. That means what? We have to, technical point we have to see. Everything is Brahman alone, there is no second thing. Means here, Brahman is free from that pratyastha ashesha bhavana dosham is a technical word. How can you understand that? Brahman is free from sajatiya vijatiya swagata bheda rahitaha anartham. Pratyastha ashesha bhavana dosham means there is no plurality. Brahman is free from all pluralities. Eppadi purinjukanumanna, no vijatiya bhedaha in Brahman. What is vijatiya bheda? Manushya jati, vriksha jati, pakshi jati, species. There are so many species are there in the creation. That is called vijati. Manushya jati, pakshi jati. So manushya jati is not pakshi jati. Manushya jati enna theriyumo? Species, human species. Pakshi jati means bird species. Vriksha jati means tree species, plant kingdom. Jantu jati means animal species. So they are vijati, not same jati anartham, not same species anartham. Vijati means not same. So manushya species are different from bird species. Adla sandehama? No sandeham. Bird species are different from animal species. Animal species are different from that plants. They are called vijati. Brahmanla இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஜாதி பேதம் இருக்க? விஜாதி பேதம்னா கிடையாது. என்ன no other jati. ஏன்னா Brahman alone is there. Therefore no vijatiya bhedaha. Vijatiya bheda rahitaha Brahman. So Brahman jati, there is another jati, bheda is there. No. Why? Sakalam Brahmaiva. When everything is Brahman, where is the question of jati? Vijati. So number one is Brahman is free from vijatiya. Brahman is vijatiya bheda rahitaha anartham. Free from vijatiya bheda. Number two, பிரம்மனுக்குள்ளேயே ஏதாவது ஜாதி இருக்குமோ? பிரம்மனுக்குள்ளேயே வேற இன்னொரு பிரம்மன் இருக்கலாம் இல்லையோ? பிரம்மன் 1, பிரம்மன் 2, பிரம்மன் 3. அது சஜாத்திய பேதான். Sajatiya Bheda means in the tree itself there is a mango tree, coconut tree. In the same jati, there may be a difference. No? One Brahman 1, Brahman 2 irna, oh, Brahman 1 is different from Brahman 2 nu sollalame na. Illappa Brahman 1 da na. Ekam Brahman. So therefore no sajati bheda also. Sajati means the same species. Two birds are same jati. Two animals are same jati. Two trees are same jati. Like that, two Brahmans are same jati madri. Two Brahmans irukana kadiyadu. So Brahman is sajatiya bheda rahitaha. Number 3, third point, swagata bhedam. ஒருவேளை நம்ம உடம்புக்குள்ள, so I am a human being, in my body itself, Swagata Bhedam is there. Legs are different from hands. Hands are different from the nose. Nose is different from the ears. Ears are different from the eyes. Bhedam irka illaya. Even though I am a human being, one entity, but still there is Swagata Bhedam, means there is a Bheda difference in my own body. There is a difference in my own body. Eyes function, ears cannot do. Ears function, eyes cannot do. Legs function, hands cannot do. Hands function, legs cannot do. ஏதோ எக்ஸப்ஷனல் கேசஸ், அது வேறு. கை இல்லைன்னு చెప్పి கால் மூலமாக எழுதுகிறேன், கால் இல்லைன்னு చెప్పి கையாலே பண்ணுறான் சில பேர். தே வாக் நாட் லைக் தட். Generally, if you see, there is a lot of difference in each part of the body. Swagata Bhedam is there. Difference, Swagata means in my own body. Like that, Brahman also having any Swagata Bheda. In himself, there is any other Bheda. அவயவமே இல்லை அவருக்கு. நமக்கு என்ன அவயவம் இருக்கு? காலு, கை, இதெல்லாம் organs are there. Different organs are there. Therefore, difference is there. But whereas Brahman has no organs at all. அவயவமே இல்லை. அவயவ ரஹிதஹா. நிராகாரஹ. ஆகாரமே இல்லை, அவயவமே இல்லை, நிரவயவஹான். Therefore, Swajatiya Swagata Bheda Rahitaha. Number 1 is Vijatiya Bheda Rahitaha, Brahman. Number 2, Sajatiya Bheda Rahitaha. Number 3, Swagata Bheda Rahitaha, Brahman. Therefore, Brahman is one. There is no plurality. Plurality is not there to establish. I should know these 3 technical terms. Up to here we saw in the last class. We'll read the next shloka. He is continuing the same topic, Tat Pada Vichara. In the next shloka also. Mritkarya bhutopi mrudo na bhinnaha. Kumbhosti sarvatra tu mrutswarupat. Na kumbharupam prudhagasti kumbhaha. Kuto mrisha kalpita nama matraha. Now, Shankaracharya giving a drishtanta, example. What example he gives? Pot example. Nama good old pot. The whole Vedanta, we can learn through the pot. Mritkarya bhutaha api kumbhaha mrutaha bhinnaha na. This mritkaryam, kumbhaha means pot. This pot is the product. Karyam means product. See the first line. Karyam means a product. Product of what? Mrit. Mrit means clay. Mrid. That is why that is called mridangam. Mridangam means mrid, they keep that clay. That's why it's mridangam. So mrid karyam is what? This pot. Mrid karya bhutaha means made up of. It is born as a product out of mrid, clay. Api, even though this pot is a product of clay, api, it is not having its substantiality. Kumbhaha mrida bhinnaha, mridaha bhinnaha nasti. The pot has come, but what it is really speaking, it is not different from clay. Kumbhaha mridaha bhinnaha na. This pot, kumbhaha, mridaha bhinnaha. Mridaha means from the clay. Bhinnaha na. It is not different. Even though it has come as a product, it is non-different from the clay. First statement is what? It is a karyam, a product. What? This pot. First statement. Number two, the statement number two is, this pot is non-different from the clay. Second statement. Third statement is, sarvatra tu mrit swarupat. Why it is non-different from the clay? Sarvatra, back, right side, left side, front side, top, down, all, totally, all the sides, all directions, sarvatra, in all directions, all, everywhere, it is mrit swarupat. Swarupa means it's mrid only. Swarupa means it's nature. Right side also clay, left side also clay, front side also clay, back side also clay, top also clay, bottom also clay. Therefore, it is non-different from clay. This is third statement. So, this mritaha sarvatra mrit swarupat. Everywhere clay alone is there. Where? In the pot. That is third statement. What is the first statement? Pot is a product of clay. Second statement, pot is non-different from the clay. Third statement, because everywhere clay alone is there in the pot. Then, fourth statement, kumbha rupam prithak na asti. Kumbha rupam mridaha, it pot form is not there at all. Pot is not there. Kumbha rupam. In the pot rupam is not there really. Kumbha rupam. Prithak. Prithak means other than clay. Pot form other than clay is not there. And the pot form is not there other than clay. That means what? Clay alone appearing as pot. Prithak means differently, distinctly. Pot form is not there distinctly separate from clay. Prithak means separate from clay. There is no pot form. That is what? Number fourth statement. Then finally what? Kutaha kumbhaha. Where is the pot? Tell me. This is what Shankaracharya asked. Where is pot? No, you read from the first statement onwards, if you see, yes, till today I am thinking there is a pot. There is no pot separate from clay. Clay alone is there sarvatra. It is non-different from clay. It is the product of clay. Therefore, this is clay alone. But what is this pot? And the vikaram. Clay nuடைய vikaram. Modification. And the modification alone, vacha arambhanam. Where is the pot? Is in my tongue. Vacha arambhanam, vikaro namadheyam. இந்த நாமதேயம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நாமகரணம் பண்ணிட்டோம். பாட்டுன்னு ஒரு நாமகரணம் பண்ணி நாமதேயம் என்ன சத்தியம் என்ன? மிருத்திகா இதி ஏவ சத்தியம். மிருத்திகா alone சத்தியம். இதுக்கு என்ன பிஹெச்டி பெரிய படிக்கணுமா என்ன? ஒரு கிளாஸ்லோనే ஈவன் நியூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ். Old student assimilates, new students can understand. Okay, this is simple thing. Kutaha kumbhaha? Part word alone is there, no substance. There is no part substance. It has no substantiality of its own. Part has no substantiality. Dravyam, part dravyam is not there. Enna dravyam? What is the material? Dravyam, clay alone. Kutaha kumbhaha? But then what is this kumbhana? Mrisha, kalpitam, kalpita nama matram. It is only nama matram. Naam ke vaasti anu solluvom illaya, idu chumma naam ke vaasti na, not real an ardham. Nama matram. Mrisha means false. Only nama, my tongue it is there. Vacha arambhanam. Really there is no clay pot at all. Now this is called tatastha lakshanam. I was talking about the swarupa lakshanam and tatastha lakshanam. Now he is going to the ashtanta in later verse. In the next verse also he want to emphasize on this example, drishtanta. That also we'll see, and we'll go to that what is tatastham, what is swarupam. In the next shloka he tells again the same example. Who can establish this part is real? Tell me. He's going to ask Shankaracharya. Who can come and establish this pot is real? I say there is no pot, there is clay only. Another statement also I will remind. I will ask you, what is this pot? Means noun. What type of pot? Clay pot. Immediately you give an adjective. Clay pot. Pot is a noun, clay is an adjective. This is wrong actually. After studying this Kumbha example, this verse, that expression, this is a noun, is wrong. Once I say there is no part, how can I say it is a noun? There is only clay. Clay is the noun. What type of clay? Potty clay. Potty clay. Pot is the adjective. It has come suddenly. Once it has broken, no, I'll break this pot. Suppose I break this pot, where this noun will go away. But what come and go is not real. But what remains after the destruction of pot? Clay remains. So that is the noun. Pot is adjective. Potty clay. The clay which is appearing in the pot form. Next verse. Kenapi mridbhinnataya swarupam. Taya swarupam ghatasya sandarshayitum na shakyate. Ato ghatah kalpita eva mohah. Mohat. Pita eva. Ato ghatah kalpita eva mohat. Mrudeva satyam paramartha bhutam. Kenapi mridbhinnataya swarupam sandarshitum na shakyate. Kenapi, by anyone, ghatasya swarupam, the nature of this pot, mridbhinnataya, different from the clay, sandarshayitum, to show, na shakyate, not possible. By anyone, this nature of the pot cannot be established as separate from the clay. By anyone, this pot is separate from the clay, it cannot be established. Cannot be established. Kenapi mridbhinnataya swarupam ghatasya sandarshayitum na shakyate. It is impossible. Ataha, therefore, ghataha kalpitaha eva mohat. Ghataha kalpitaha. The pot is superimposed. Superimposed or created by what? Mohat, by delusion, by wrong notion. Kalpita eva mohat. Then what is satyam? Mrideva satyam paramartha bhutam. Absolutely paramartham, nijama, really speaking, really speaking, that really speaking is very important. Ama, what we are going to speak really, tell me. Really speaking, mrideva ghata. Mrideva satyam, mrid alone, clay alone is real, pot is mithya. Experience, experience but not real, because all experiences need not be real. Inquire into this. If I understand this, I can go to Darshtanta. Okay, we'll read the Darshtanta, but to assimilate this fact, Drishtanta, if I assimilate well, Darshtanta means original. Why this part? Ivala neram kada idukku half an hour, 40 minutes anna. Brahman, everything is Brahman, this Nama Rupa, this is pot. Okay, in the pot place la body vechukongala. The body, it has Nama, Rupa, weight and height. Nama, Rupa, with the bones, flesh, blood, all these are there, put together. Appearing, tangible, visible. Ama, tangible, visibly experiencing. Analum, analum, poyida. அம்மா ஏதோ பாட்டு நெகேட் பண்ணணும்னா பண்ணிட்டோம் சுவாமினி, இந்த அளவுக்கு போறேன்னு தெரியலே. நான் என்ன பண்றது? சாஸ்திரம் அப்படி. Shastra says, Shastra never spare anybody. Why right is right, why wrong is wrong. You have to threadbare analysis. எனக்கு புரியலன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறது? என்னுடைய ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ சாஸ்திர சேஸ், உனக்கு புரியலன்னா உன்னுடைய ப்ராப்ளம், புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. தட்ஸ் வை மெனி பீப்புள் வேதாந்த கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து அப்புறம் அந்த எபோவ் ஹெட்னா, எபோவ் ஹெட்னு போட்டு உள்ள ஹெட்டில் போடுன்னா, இட் இஸ் எபோவ் ஹெட். வேதாந்தம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? Put into the head. Next shloka. Sadbrahma karyam sakalam sadevam sanmatrame tanna tatonyadasti ततोऽन्यदस्ति अस्तीति यो वक्ति न तस्य मोहः विनिर्गतो निद्रतवत् प्रजल्पः Now Shankaracharya giving the Dashtanta. What is Dashtanta? Brahman alone is Satyam. The whole world, Nama Rupa, including this body, including all bodies, அது சொல்லுவோம் ஈஸியா, இன்க்ளூடிங் மை பாடி ஆல்சோ. ஹோல் வேர்ல்டில் இந்த பாடி இன்க்ளூட் ஆகுமா ஆகாதா? One person is praying near the Lord, asking, Bhagavan, keep all whole world in peace, and my son also. He is asking, Sarve jana sukhino bhavantani solli, and bless my son also. இது என்ன? அந்த சர்வே ஜனால உங்க சன் இருக்கானா இல்லையா? இருக்கான். அதுதான் வேதாந்தம் படிக்கும்போது அது சப்ஜெக்டிவாக நானாக இருந்து பார்க்கணும். நம்ம எல்லாம் சப்ஜெக்டிவாக எடுத்துக்கிறோம். எது ஆப்ஜெக்டிவாக பார்க்கணுமோ அது பார்க்காமலே all worldly things objectively you have to see and not get any effect. அதுதான் ஆப்ஜெக்டிவாக பார்க்கணும். அது என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? எல்லா ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸும் சப்ஜெக்டிவாக பார்த்து ஜீவ சிருஷ்டியாக பண்ணி அதில் நம்ம மாட்டிண்டு அழுதுண்டே இருக்கோம்னா. பட் வேர் ஹியர் people listen Shastra objectively. பாருங்க என்ன tragedy என்ன. Listening Shastra is sitting as an officer, professor, engineer. Aha, Vedanta is so nice. Objectively if you listen, it won't help you. Subjectively I have to listen. Vedanta is addressing me alone. அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். வேதாந்த கேட்கும்போது ரிலீஜியஸ் ப்ராக்டிசஸ் பகவான் பூஜை பண்ணும்போது ஆப்ஜெக்டிவாக பண்ணுறோம். குழந்தை ப்ராப்ளம் வீட்டு ப்ராப்ளம் வரும்போது சப்ஜெக்டிவாக எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அதுதான் ட்ராஜடிக்கு மெயின் ப்ராப்ளம். என்ன இதுதான் புரியுறதா? இந்த ரிவர்ஸ் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும் இப்போ. ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் சத் பிரம்ம காரியம் சகலம் சதா ஏவம். Evam sat sat sanmatram etat. Just as in the example, mrud matram eva ghataha, he said. If the whole jagat is nothing but Brahman alone, Sat Brahma Karyam, this whole world is a Karyam, product of what? Sat Brahma Karyam. It is a Brahma Karyam. Pot is a clay Karyam. No, Mannu Karyam. World is Brahma Karyam. All the statements you have to supply. World pot is not different from the clay. Second statement. அப்போ வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் நாட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் பிரம்மன். அது உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க். அதில் நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது, நீங்கள் தான் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு அப்படியே எழுதணும். ஓகே, எத்தனை ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் நான் கொடுத்துருக்கோனோ அந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்லோகாஸில் ஆல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு சப்ளை. 5 ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸுமே அப்படியே எழுதணும். இது ஹோம்ஒர்க் ஃபார் யூ. ஓகே, என்ன இங்கே கூட ஹோம்ஒர்க் இருக்கா என்ன? We are Vedantic students, we are also having homework. Now, what are the important points we have to understand here? Sanmatram etat. Sanmatram means Sat alone. It is Sad alone. Matram means alone. Sanmatram etat tataha anyaha anyat na asti. Tataha means from that Brahman, other than Brahman. Anyaha anyat na asti. There is nothing in this creation other than Brahman. Sanmatrameva asti sada evam. So first statement, world is karyam. நானே சொல்கிறேன், என்ன நீங்கள் எப்படி பண்ணுறீங்களோ ஹோம்ஒர்க்குன்னு பயம் எனக்கு. வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் காரியம். நம்பர் 1. காரியம், வேர்ல்ட் alone I am putting in a different way. Your homework is different, I am putting in a different way. பட் இது பண்ணுறது உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டம், அதுக்கு தான் நானே சொல்கிறேன். அந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஆஸ் இட் இஸ் எழுதுறது ஈஸி தான். So world is reduced into a property. What we said? Potty clay. Potty clay என்னது? In the pot became an adjective to the clay. Worldly Brahman. இல்லையா? Potty clay மாதிரி worldly Brahman. எந்த மாதிரி Brahman? Worldly Brahman. விசேஷணம். Who is manifesting in the creation. Then property, karyam is reduced into a property. Pot is reduced into what? Property. Adjective. First karyam, pot is karyam, reduced into property. Property reduced into, that is the third statement. Property reduced into superimposition. அத்தியாசா. ஆஃப்டர் இது ப்ராப்பர்ட்டின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன சொன்னோம்? இது மிருஷா. வி செட் இட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். இட் இஸ் அத்தியாசா. சீயிங் ஒன் திங் ஆஸ் அதர், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அத்தியாசா. கயிறு பாம்பா பார்க்கறது அத்தியாசா. கிளேன்னு பாட்டா பார்க்கறது அத்தியாசா. கிளேன்னு பாட்டை பார்த்தா அத்தியாசம் பரவாயில்ல, கயிறு பாம்பை பார்த்தா பயம். Even whole world, I am frightened by the whole world. Threatening me, whole world is threatening me. Servant is threatening me, frightening me. Drivers are frightening us, exploiting us. The whole world is threatening me. Because of adhyasa. Because adhyasa is because of ignorance. Therefore, he says, tataha anyat sadbrahmanaha anyat na asti. Whoever says asti iti yaha vadati, whoever says it is there, suppose world is there other than Brahman, whoever says, Shankaracharya telling, he has not woken up from the sleep. Tell you, the person who is sleeping just blabber. No? One actor, the one who is in Andhra, he has something happened there, and in sleep, in coma, he is talking something, and he is telling, I do not know what I have spoken. அது மாதிரி இந்த speaking, the people who are sleeping, this is called somnambulism. They talk in sleeping also. அவனுக்கு அவனே பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பான். So it is go on talking in the sleep. That is called jalpaha. He says jalpaha nidritavat tasya mohaha na vinirgataha. If anyone says the world is different from Brahman, he is not woken up from the sleep. That word, what he is telling, world is different from the sleep. This Brahman, that word is jalpaha means. Jalpa means is blabbering. Like a person who is sleeping is talking, no? அதுக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ? இவனு கூட அப்படிதான். யாரப்பா அவனு? Who is that talking? God is sitting in Vaikuntha. World is different. Dvaiti. The Dvaita philosopher, for him, world is different from God. World is different from God. మరి அவருக்கு ஒரு பிளேஸ் கொடுக்கணுமே, அவருக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு இடம் கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையோ. அப்போ நீங்கள் வைகுண்டத்தில் உட்காரப்பா, ஓகே வைகுண்டத்தில் உட்கார வச்சுட்டு இந்த வேர்ல்டு அவர் அங்கே இருக்கார், நம்ம இங்கே இருக்கோம், முள்ளமாக போய் அவரில் சேரணும். நம்ம வைகுண்டத்துக்கு போகணும். சிவபக்தனர் இருந்தனா கைலாசனில் உட்கார வச்சுட்டார். காட்னு he kept in a கைலாசா. கிருஷ்ணா கான்ஷியஸ் பீப்புள் kept God in கோலோக பிருந்தாவன். அவங்க பிளேஸில் அவங்கவுங்க வச்சுருக்கான் காடுன்னு. ஏன்னா நீங்கள் வராதே, இங்கே எல்லாம் குழப்பமாக இருக்க, டோன்ட் கம் ஹியர். திஸ் இஸ் துவைதா ஃபிலாசபர். அக்கார்டிங் டு சங்கராச்சாரியா he is like a sleeping person అని అర్థం. Dvaita philosopher, that means Dvaita philosophy for some extent it is to mature the people, to bring into bhakti. It is like an LKG UKG class madri. Dvaita philosophy அது தேவைதான் to get chitta shuddhi bhakti. Dvaita philosophy. அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னொருத்தன் என்ன சொல்லிட்டா தெரியுமா, world is a property of God. World is a property, part of God. அவருடைய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. விசிஷ்ட அத்வைதம், அதுதான் விசிஷ்டம். பிரபஞ்சம் இஸ் விசிஷ்ட குணம். பகவான் குணகண சம்பன்னா. எந்த குணம்? இந்த ஹோல் வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் ஹிஸ் குண, இஸ் a ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. அவர் விசிஷ்டாத்வைதி. He also will not accept world is Brahman, he never accept. World is a property of the Brahman, the God. Vishnu is different from the world. World is a property. That's what he says. So Dvaita, for Dvaita Siddhanta, Bhagavan is a substance. Bhagavan is a substance. World is also another substance. Rendu substance, rendu dravyam irukku. That's why they are called Dvaitam, dual. There is not only God, there is world also. How God is real, world is also real for them. That is the Dvaita philosophy. Bhagavan is one substance, world is one substance. Eppadi? Clay is one substance, pot is one substance. This is Dvaita philosophy. Visishta Advaiti, later he says, Bhagavan is Karanam, Vattukaren. Bhagavan is Karanam, but world is a property of Bhagavan. World is a property of Bhagavan. So that means what? Vishishtadvaiti also will not accept property of Bhagavan and sonna enardham. According to him, property is different, Bhagavan is different. I am the owner of this house and sonna, am I different from the house or not? Adi madre avanga Vishishtadvaitiyoda interpretation. Therefore, world is a property of Lord. We ask Advaiti. Advaiti asks, Ama, property can exist without substance? Can a property exist without substance? This pot is a property. According to him, he also accepted. Clay is the Karanam, pot is the property. If he say, can pot exist without clay? Tell me. Similarly, if world is a property, I will ask you, the color, orange color is a property of this saree. Okay? Can you separate the orange color property, the gunam, from the saree? என்ன சந்தேகமா? இந்த விஷயம் புரியுறது இல்லையா? The property, the color cannot be separated from the saree. Impossible. Wherever there is property, there is substance. There must be substance. The saree, the cloth, substance and the property color cannot be separated. Impossible. That's why Advaiti posed a question, the Visishtadvaiti, oh Visishtadvaiti, how the world property can separately exist, different from the Bhagavan. Enna pannuva? Scratching the head. Hama, property, dravyam, gunam cannot be separated. So wherever there is dravyam, there is a guna. Similarly, since the whole world is the property of the God, Ishvara, the world cannot be separated from the God, or God cannot be away from the world. God cannot be away from the world. Therefore, Dvaita philosophy, Visishtadvaita philosophy, okay for religious practices to keep the people sane, to bring the people into the spiritual fold. They are all the stepping stones, but they are not ultimate. They are all stepping stones. Understand this. There is ultimate truth, that is property, this name and form. God is sitting in Vaikuntha. He is different from me. I am the part of Him. All these are first standard, second standard lessons madre. There are people, for them you can go and talk, but not for all people. There are people, some who are the thinkers, a subtle minded people. They ask all these questions. Therefore Advaiti says, Ekam Brahma eva asti. Therefore, this body is a property of the God, means the property is non-different from the Brahman. That means I am the Brahman. What is this Nama Rupa? Mrisha, false, adhyasa. Experientially they are there, but not really. You have to travel a lot to assimilate this fact. Travel means not bus, train. Vivek Chudamani, slokas and ardham. Travel and more in the next class. Tatastham and Swarupam I will talk later. No? Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om